Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up to GitHub step by step. Create an account by visiting GitHub.com, choose a username, enter email and password, and verify your email address promptly. Pick the free plan to start, set up two-factor authentication, and customize your profile. Finally, create your first repository, push a README to practice using Git and the web interface, and invite collaborators for feedback. After creating your account, securing it is the next priority. Turn on two-factor authentication and connect an authenticator app or SMS for recovery. Add a backup method and note recovery codes in your password manager. Check your email preferences and security log for any unusual activity. Finally, review third-party app access and remove tokens you no longer use to keep your projects and data safe and private. If you're finding this tutorial useful, please subscribe and like for more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed a money book that changed my perspective, Dollar Banknote, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs oddly well with learning developer skills. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a copy if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's create a repository and get hands-on with GitHub. Initialize a new repo, add a README, and select a license that fits your project. Clone the repository to your computer, make a small change, commit with a clear message, and push back to GitHub. Explore branches and pull requests to collaborate. Those initial steps build the habits that make open source and teamwork simple and effective.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.